Hello everyone, my name is Vikram and I welcome you all to our channel Live Life. Today we are going to create this creative, stunning and never before seen animation in PowerPoint. So let's stay with us, keep watching Live Life, let's start. So we are going to first insert tab in PowerPoint blank screen, go to shapes and we have to select this 3D cylindrical shape. It's here. So draw this shape. Very nice. So we have drawn it to our approximate size. Fine. Lock the aspect ratio, then go to fill, and then we will select the gradient fill. Delete these unwanted pins. Select the first pin, select the color to black one and the second color to the blue one. Perfect. So we can try some other where it will look fine. Again linear, so this one is looking fine. Very nice. We are going to press Ctrl D to duplicate this object, make it a little bit smaller. Very nice. Fine. Go to shape fill, to the gradient one and change the color to the orange one. Perfect. Go to the shape outline, select the weight to the 3 points and the color to the very whitish gray color. Place this to the shape that we have already made. So very nice, to the center. So we have created this shape, 3D cylindrical. Very nice. So both are looking very nice. We can align them to the center. Align center. Very nice. So up to here we have created. Do watch the video till the end to learn the whole animation effects. Go to the shapes and select this isosceles triangle having two sides equal. We need to invert it. First we will need to flip it vertically. Perfect. We will select shape outline to no outline. Perfect. And we will go to gradient fill. One color we will select as orange one and the second color we will select as white. Perfect. And very nice effect. So it's looking like some light is coming from the bottom side and spreading outside by this triangle. Very nice. So we can adjust, go to the second option and then soft edges, select it to 3 points. So it's now giving much more better effect. Drag this and place it to the center of that cylindrical shape that we have already created. Very nice. So it seems that some light is coming out from the cylinder. Select all these 3 shapes and move it little bit downwards. Perfect. So we have placed it there. Very nice. Now we are adjusting the size a little bit low to make way for the text on the upside. So go to insert shapes and we are going to select a shape to write the text, and here we will not insert the text box on this and we will write directly on the shape. First select this, it's of little blue color. We will try to format painter first. No, it's not there. It's not there. It's also not there. So little hidden trials. Select this one. We will manually fill it. Perfect. And then go to shape outline. Weight to 3 points and the color to the whitish gray one. Very whitish gray. Perfect. So we have made our place to write text there. So we can directly write on this. First we are going to select all these shapes and press Ctrl D 2 times. So we are placed to the right side and select these 4 shapes and align to the middle. Perfect. Little bit adjustments because we have not grouped them together because we need to animate them separately. So we need to change these colors of these. So we have selected this one to the green, so the green light should emit from this. So we'll also change this color to green. Select the third one. Also change the text box color to the same one. Select this one to the green. Perfect. Select the third one. We are giving this the new color. We are giving it the yellow color. Perfect. So select this one to yellow, and the shape for text box also can be selected to yellow. Very nice, very nice. So we are going to now insert icons. We will select 3 icons of our choice and we will insert them. Perfect. So we are going to make it a little bit bigger and go to graphics fill. No shape out graphics fill. We will select this whitish gray color. Very nice. And one by one we need to place them together. So these are a little bit oversized. We will control set. So we will resize them to a little bit small size. So place it to the center. Very nice. Select the second one, place it to the center. Select the third one, place it to the center. Very nice. Effective has now given to it. Now we can here directly start typing. Descriptive text can be written, paste here. Very nice. Control A and then change the font size and the font. We are selecting the copper black. Perfect. We are making it bold. Then what we are going to do is I'm selecting this text and Control C and Control V, Control C and Control V. So we have made this, and now it's the most important part of this tutorial to add animation to these triangles. Select all these 3, go to animations and select the wipe. The effect option is from the bottom, and go to animation pane, right click and start on click. Right click again, start with previous, after previous. So because we need to set them one by one, that is add one more animation, disappear effect, because we need the first one to disappear when the second one starts. So place them to their respective locations. Perfect. Little bit more adjustments. So select these 3 animations, and we are now going to the timing tab, and we are selecting this repeat one, and we will select until next click. So the animation will repeat itself until I click. So these kinds of animation it will be there. Perfect. Nice. So this also needs to be corrected. I have corrected this. The exit ones needs to be started with the click and other ones are going to be started with previous. So we have played this. This is going to look like this, the second, and then when I will click, then the third one. So this is going a little bit fast, so we need to change the timings of the animation from 0.5 seconds to 0.575 seconds. Once again we play this, first one, then I click, the first one disappears and the second one appears, and then the third one. Perfect. Now the animation can be added to the text. So we have selected this text 1, 2 and 3. So we are going to add animation to this. Not working. So this fade animation we are going to give this, and right click, then start previous, then move earlier to their respective positions. Perfect. Then again select these 3 text boxes, increase the duration and effect options, then animate text by letter, and timings and text animations are okay. Perfect. So this text will be animated by letter. Perfect. So the light is flashing on and the text is going letter by letter. This is the beautiful animation that we have created. See the effect. Little bit more adjustments. Sorry, the spelling mistake was there. Can. Let's play it once again. Text. Very nice effect it's giving. Third one. Very beautiful. So one more thing, we can do it now. We need to go to the design tab, go to the gradient fill in format background, and it's not working again. Go to design tab, format background, gradient fill, select and delete these unnecessary pins. This one to white color, whitish gray, and we have set up the background. So we play it once again. Very nice. Do subscribe the channel and please check out our other videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So that's it for today. I am Vikram. So keep watching, live life. Thanks a lot.